Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Before we import an Xlsx file, prepare the environment and tools. Install Pandas and open Pixel with pip before importing any Xlsx file. Use Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab and ensure Python 3.7 or later is active. Start a new notebook kernel and confirm your working directory with OS getcode. Confirm the file path and working directory before running any import commands. Save your workbook in Xlsx format and note any password protection or complex formulas. Open your notebook and import core libraries first using import pandas as PD. Use pandas. Read Excel file. Xlsx, sheet name equals sheet1, engine equals open pixel to load data. You can specify usicalls equals A, C, or N rows equals 1000 to limit imported columns or rows. For large files, read in chunks with pandas. Read Excel and iterator or use dtype hints to reduce memory. Assign data to a data frame like df equals pd. Read if an engine error appears, install or upgrade OpenPixel and restart the kernel. If you see missing optional dependency error, run pip install OpenPixel or upgrade pandas. Convert date columns during import with parseDates equals date column or by using pd to data time after import. If memory is low, increase chunk size carefully or use dtype arguments for numeric columns. Use df to CSV out. CSV index equals false to export if downstream tools need CSV format. Finally, document the import steps in a notebook cell for reproducibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.